Hi, I'm Reverend Eric Ovid Donaldson, Senior Minister at Unity Christian Church in Memphis, Tennessee, with a daily word for October 17th, 2011. Here at Unity, we call the practice of the presence of God practical Christianity. In other words, Christianity has to find a way to come out of the mystery, out of the mystical, and into the practical. It has to be practical for people's lives. It doesn't mean that we find all the answers. Of course, some of those answers are on a need-to-know basis. But what it does mean is that through our practice of the presence of God in our lives, through our prayer time and through our meditation, we come to discover that we are more at peace, we are more at ease in the things that we are addressing in our lives. And one of the things that we are at ease about is this thing called dis-ease. You see, when you come into the realization that there's only one presence, one power in the universe, it's God, it's good, it's omnipotence. When your attention is focused on the good that God is rather than the evil that seems to exist in life itself, then suddenly you find yourself at ease because you are coming from a place where all things are possible. You're coming from a place where your faith is preceding you. And in so doing, you are able to do magnificent and marvelous things. It seems as though you are led by the Holy Spirit. There's no seeming to it. You are led by the Holy Spirit. And in so doing, things come to you with ease. I'm not saying that everything is difficult, because there are things that we are growing through rather than going through. But I am saying that because of this ease that we have about life, ease that we have about situations, confidence that we have about whether or not we'll be able to transcend or overcome, the faith that we work, because of all those things, we find ourselves healthier. We find ourselves in a state of healthy mindedness. We find ourselves doing things that most people wonder if it could ever be done. Do you want to know about living life with ease rather than dis-ease? Then go to www.dailyword.com and read today's Daily Word installment. It will bless you. And while you're at it, go to www.unitychristianchurch.us. There's a link right there beside my image. Click on it and subscribe to this commentary. If you're already a subscriber, then I'm thankful for your presence each day during this devotion. Do me a favor, click on the button below me. It says forward video, and share this moment with a friend or two. Peace and blessings. I'll see you tomorrow. God bless.